So would you like to add multiple products directly into Shopify? I'm going to show you how to get started. I have just seen lots of videos here into the YouTube, and I believe that nobody talks about this actual currently way that we can do this in a very easy process. So first of all, what you want to do is to have a Shopify store. Now that we have an actual Shopify store, what you want to do is to focus inside your products. Now the manual way is just to go and to add a product. And you can add all the information about your product, the media, the variants, the price, absolutely everything to just go one by one, right? That's the easy way, the manual way. I believe the hard part. Now, I'm going to show you another way so we can add multiple products all at once and you can edit them once you have imported all the process. This one is going to be importing information. So before instead of add products, let's go into import. Inside the import, we have the import products by CSV. So I'm going to go for download a sample of this CSV so you can check out what it's going to be asking us to make the import of all the multiple products. I'm going to go and look out for Google Sheets since let's say that nobody has Microsoft Excel, so you don't have to worry about this. Google Sheet is, let's say, like a free version and really similar to the actual Microsoft Excel. So go directly into the Google Sheets and create a new spreadsheet. Now here I'm going to go into File, Import, and here I'm just going to drag and drop my product template, which is actually this one. Now here is my product template. Into the import location, I'm going to replace the spreadsheet because we don't have actually anything here. And the separated line, I'm going to go for detect automatically. Let's go for import data. Alright, so check this out. This is how the actual Shopify is going to be asking us in order to add multiple products. We need to add a handle, a title, a body, a vendor, product category, the type, the tax published, option 1, the value, and all of that. So what you want to do is to fill as much information as you can. So all of this info should be added directly inside your store. So this might be taking a few times, but it's going to be much more faster to add all the information directly into a spreadsheet, and then later on just go here and to add your file and everything should be added automatically inside the products. So let's fill all the information and let's go back to you really easy. If you're ready to have all of your products already been active, then choose active. If don't, then what you want to do is to make sure that check out what are the status available inside the Shopify, for example, draft. So if you are not ready, then just go for draft. And all of my products, before I active them, all of them are actually into draft. So I now have everything about my images. I have my variant weight, I have my Google Shopping, I have the Google Shopping stuff, I have my CEO title, the gift cards, image position, the variant barcode, I have variant priced, grams, I have the option of the tax, the published, product categories, my vendor, the body, the title, and I believe that will be actually it. So now what is next to be done? Then what you want to do is to save all this actual stuff. I'm going to go for product, download, make sure that this one is a CSV file, the common separate value. So now I have my product bundle here. Then let's go back into Shopify, go for products, and instead of going here into add product, let's go for import, add file, and go for my product bundle that we have just created. I go for open and publish new product to all the sales channel and upload and preview. And there you have it. We are importing a file into Shopify. If this preview does not look right, we can try to change the order of the column headings. So in this case, you can check out that here is my title, the description, the product status is draft, the product category, appeal, accessories, clothing, the product type, shifts, the vendor, text press. So I believe it actually looks great. The variants are this, the SKU are great so far, the weight is great, and the price is great. So I go for import my products and just take a few minutes so we can be importing the products directly inside our store. So this might be taking a few time to make the completion. So if you want, you can close this and wait till this process has now been successfully done. And there you have it. I have now 3 products that has been added automatically. So what I wanted to do is to click into the draft that we have just added and make sure that it really make a great job. So you can see we have the title. I have the description. Of course, I didn't enter anything, but I added one product media. I added one variant. I added my price. I add the vendor, the product type, the clothing, collections, men's, and all of that. So I didn't have to focus a lot in the. We can add more. For example, I think that I needed the collection and the text here, so we can add more stuff. For example, here it says option 2 value. I can change this for collection. And I can go for text, and I can fill all the information there. So that's how, guys, we can import products, a bundle of products directly here inside of Shopify. And the best part is that you go directly here into preview on my online store, all my products should be having an actual product page automatically, because we don't have to do absolutely anything, since all of them actually work with the same theme template as a default product. All of this is going to be automatically organized by itself. So guys, that is how we can actually add multiple products in a very easy way inside of Shopify. So hopefully this was a very useful information for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if this was very useful information for you. Remember that the key to having a really great strong product bundle is to check out that all of this information comes from a really great CSV file that we have just created, and we use a sample template created by Shopify. Happy selling, and hopefully we can all see you to a brand new video to Express. See you soon.